this is not compulsory, but we thought it'd be quite fun to have after a minute, since that was the time that Cage from Gatwick did it in. If after a minute, if you took a little bit longer, then the hose pipe would go on after a minute. So like I say, not compulsory, just a bit of fun. And I know I can't do it in a minute anyway, so I'm going to get a little bit wet. So here we go. So starting position again, door is closed, no harness on, sat in the driving position, driver's seat even, and hands are on the steering wheel. So we've got timer for a minute, have we? Yes, we've got timer for a minute. Right, I think I'm ready to get wet. Right, 3, 2, 1. No, not the one time it's not good. Give me a countdown.
30 seconds.
30 seconds. Easy. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
See, I think that just proves that the incentive works, because that was the one time that I was under a minute. So brilliant. Thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe and all that good stuff. And yeah, if you want to subscribe, that'd be great, because there'll be updates on this challenge. Like my Facebook page, and there'll be more things on that. So yeah, brilliant. Thank you very much. It worked. I was quicker. Oh, that's why it's ripping, because it's catching on the seat belt. Oh, should have bought an SV. Oh, it's all gone peak down. Turn the page. I thought I'd actually get wet, to be honest. Right, you're being quiet then. Should have bought an SV. Have you got any warm water? No? No? Okay, cool. That's true. Oh. Oh no, I'm stuck now. Oh, help. Oh dear me. I don't get in this one. Oh, help. But everything will be included in the details. Stupid boy. Right.